Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today's going to be a watch me work on how I created a cute little set of St. Patrick's Day nails. So this is my friend I have in today, and I already have her nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. So I'm just re-cleansing her nails, making sure they're nice and clean. The first color we're going to go in with is Madam Glam's Vibrancy, which is this pretty, it's like an olive green, but it is a lighter olive green. Really pretty for the springtime. It's going to work well for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to paint this on the pinky. Then going in with Madam Glam's 24K. This is a beautiful gold foil shade from them. It's probably one of my favorite golds from them. And I'm going to paint this on the ring finger. Then going in with Kara Sky's Cheeky. This is one of my hands down top favorite nudie pink backgrounds for nails, especially on my friend here. We always use this shade on her. So I'm going to paint the middle finger and the pointer finger with this shade. And then on the thumb, we're going to go back to the green Vibrancy shade. Then I go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, going in with the design, we're going to do some swirls on the middle and the pointer finger. So I did cleanse off the tacky layer, and then starting with that same green Vibrancy shade, I have it on my palette, and I'm going to take a liner brush. I'm just going to create a swirl going down the nail, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of a space and then create the same line a little bit away, and I do the same on both of those nails. Then once the green lines are cured, I'm going to go in with the 24K, which is our gold shade, and I'm going to fill in between the two green lines that I created. So we have green, gold, then green of this swirl going down the nail. Then I'm going to go in with some little clovers. So I have this palette from Jelly Nails that has a bunch of different kinds of clovers. So we're going to take this light green. It's that same sort of olive light green shade. Matches the color of the nails perfectly. And I'm going to take the Jelly Nails Super Diamond Gel Glue to apply them. So basically where the swirls kind of curve inwards in that C form is where I'm going to pop in a clover. So I just put down a drop of the glue, and then with a dotting tool I pick up the clover and I just place it in that glue. Make sure it's down pretty good, and I try to place them on more of a flat part of the nail, nothing too curved. You want these to sit a little bit flatter on the nail. Then once those are cured, we are going to go in and encapsulate them. So I'm going to take my build gel from Jelly Nails, and this is the same builder gel that I use for the base of her nails. And we're just going to do a thin layer of the build gel to encapsulate the shamrocks. The shamrocks are not too thick, but they're thick enough of a glitter that you do need to encapsulate them a little bit because top coat will not fully smooth out the nail. So then once the clovers are encapsulated, I just do a good buff over the nails, make sure they are nice and smooth, reform the shape if I need to, and then cleanse off all of the nails. And now we can top coat, so I will be using the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how the nails came out. They are super cute. They are good for spring, good for St. Patrick's Day. We have the accent of the clovers, but it's nothing too much. I know it's a little early for St. Patrick's Day nails, but it's already going to be March, so we wanted to go ahead and go in with our green set of nails, give it a little accent with the shamrocks, but it all just screams very springy vibes. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy my watch me work videos. I can try to do more of these. But make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!